When industrial revolution came, it caused job losses, but it also created way more jobs. Same goes for telephone, computers, internet and mobile phones. A new age of artificial intelligence is starting, but this time is different, as there will be mass job losses for sure, but still we are at loss and very much unsure if that will be balanced by new job opportunities. For example, code generating large language models will eliminate many developers' jobs. Then, what these developers would do? Similarly, imagine all the jobs for the image editors and video producers. These Now we have image editing LLMs or large language models that will eliminate graphic designers, text generation generating models, and that would also make content writers and editors redundant sooner rather than later. What all of them are going to do? Write prompts? How many people do we need to write these prompts? And we already have LLM agents even writing the prompts. Yes, it may seem like fear mongering on a Sunday afternoon in Sydney here, but instead of getting shock of your life, we should get ready. Should all white collar workers like coders, designers, cloud engineers, writers, etc., should start learning the blue collar trades like plumbing, electrician, roofers, pest controllers, landscapers, concreters, etc. If every other person is a plumber, maybe the only good thing that would come out of it would not to pay the out call fee, but how many plumbers do we need? I have a high school teenager at home who is already asking, what's the point in learning anything if AI is going to do everything in the future? Thoughts?